Hi, Hola, Bonjour, Privet, Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. The following video is based on the demonstration of the conveyor belt in its finalized form. Shout out to Warkop 3D Design for this detailed build. Link in the description for the entire build tutorial. This demonstration is for showcasing our team's capability, and any such student or amateur projects will easily be tackled by our team. We can customize existing projects or make new ones altogether, whether it is for academics, industrial, or personal use. Whether you're trying to set up a small assembly or designing your passion project or optimizing your product for the market, we can assist you in your endeavor. One of the most compelling advantages of conveyor belts is their ability to transport materials quickly over long distances. Whether in a sprawling warehouse or a complex manufacturing unit, conveyor belts drastically reduce the time it takes for goods to move from one point to another. This speed translates directly into increased productivity and throughput. Reduction in manual handling of materials, especially over large distances or in repetitive cycles, is not only time-consuming, but also physically taxing. Conveyor belts automate these processes, reducing the need for manual lifting and carrying. This leads to a decrease in worker fatigue, injuries, and overall operational costs. Cost effectiveness. Though initial investment in conveyor systems might be significant, they quickly prove cost-effective due to reduced labor requirements, improved process flow, and minimized product damage. In the long run, conveyor belts pay for themselves through higher output and lower maintenance costs. Versatility and customization. Modern conveyor belts come in a wide range of sizes, designs, and materials, making them suitable for virtually any industry. From modular belts that can change direction to heat-resistant belts used in baking industries, customization allows conveyor systems to adapt to specific requirements. Safety and ergonomics. Automated transport reduces human involvement in potentially dangerous tasks, such as lifting heavy materials or working in hazardous areas. Conveyor belts improve workplace safety, ensuring a lower incidence of accidents and better ergonomics for workers. Consistent and continuous operation. Unlike human labor, which is subject to fatigue, conveyor belts can operate continuously for extended periods with minimal supervision.